guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Dada. This is my brother Ola. Today we're gonna make kids' favorite breakfast recipe. We're gonna make grilled Nutella and marshmallow sandwich.
Let's check out the
Butter,
ingredients.
marshmallow, and Nutella, chocolate, and bread. Take one slice of bread. Let's spread the butter. Now it's ready. Let's flip the bread. Flippy. Flippy chewy nice. Let's spread the Nutella all over it. Now let's put marshmallow and chocolate. Over bread. Like this on a plate. Let's put the toothpick so that it won't fly over the air fryer. Center of the earth. Let's preheat the air fryer. Let's press air fry and set the time for 6 minutes. Keep the bread in the tray. Mom is helping me to put the tray in the air fryer. I can't wait to eat this delicious sandwich. It's ready, guys. It's nicely done. Let's taste. Delicious.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.